Alright, so this is just a quick video. I'm trying to document the issues that I'm having with my Nexus 6P. So basically the issues I'm running into, the battery will get down to like 40 or 50%, sometimes 30, sometimes 60. And then it'll just go straight to a low battery warning, and then reboot. I've had it in for a battery replacement. It's out of warranty, but I took it in and paid to have a battery replaced. Obviously I'm still having issues with it. It reboots frequently throughout the day. Even aside from the battery issue, it just a lot of times when the most common thing is when I unlock it with the fingerprint scanner, it'll just reboot, and 4 or 5 times a day, it reboots, sometimes more. So I'm hoping I can replicate it here. So like I said, typically the most common thing is just unlocking it, but I get it playing games, I get it playing, just scrolling through, the news feed, that sort of stuff. It just seems to happen all the time. So right now I'm just unlocking it with the thumbprint scanner. And sometimes just scrolling through the news or scrolling through different things, it'll just cause it to reboot. Oh, okay, there it goes. So I just unlocked it with the thumbprint scanner. Usually it doesn't show the screen when that happens. It just, you'll feel the tactile feedback, when you hit the fingerprint scanner. But it won't show anything on the screen. It just shows the Google logo. It just immediately reboots. So that's the common thing. Like I said, it happens multiple times throughout the day. Sometimes once it starts happening, it'll happen 3 or 4 times in succession. And the other strange thing that I notice is that occasionally, so it just rebooted again. I didn't touch anything. It just rebooted again. So, and then sometimes what I'll notice is that when it does reboot and it comes back up and it's working again, it seems like the battery life is decrementing much more quickly than normal. Like I said, this is a brand new battery. It was just replaced. I took it into a shop to replace it. And when it works, the battery life is normal now, but sometimes after it reboots, the battery life will be, I'm just going to unlock it here. You can actually see the battery life counter going down. I mean, it goes down really quickly, and and then it gives you the kind of issue that you typically see where it it thinks the battery is dead when it really shouldn't be, and it just turns off, goes into power saver mode. So all in all, it's just a pretty annoying issue, I think. So if anybody else is out there has those issues and has any tips or anything, I'm kind of just documenting this so that because it's hard to replicate it for the shop. When I take it in the shop and try and explain the issue, it's kind of hard to replicate. So really, I'm just kind of trying to document it. So anyway, that's all for now.